Gratitude, greetings, and good evening, everyone. And welcome, Gitika and Sunny sir.
Thank
Today, we have a very special conversation with both of you who have just attended Change Makers, which was in Mumbai, and it was a powerful event by Success Gyan, which has featured some of the very best coaches in from India as well as abroad also. And today we are going to learn about the wisdom and all the insights which both of you have learned there. So let's dive into it. So my first question is that being in a room which was full of world's best coaches, you must have been, uh, that was being a transformational event or incident for you. So, what was the single very powerful insight or breakthrough moment that you had witnessed there and which shifted your perspective? Itika, please
Yes.
answer.
Yes, Shipra. So I think yes, when we are in that energy, so I think the really one thing comes into my mind is that never give up. And even one of our speakers, Bomine Rani, has also said that no matter how many times you fall, it's just you get up, dust yourself, and go ahead
Hmm.
and keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on
Hmm.
moving. So
Hmm.
be hungry for life. Uh, this was the core message of actor Ashish Vidyarthi also. So I think the one thing, if I would have to share after attending that event, would be the grit and never giving up attitude towards your dreams or what you want to achieve.
Great. Then this is very energetic. I can feel that. And sir, this question is from you. Ki, as we all know, ki success GAN events are very energetic, electrifying events, whether it is MMI or yeah, for change makers, whatever. So, how did the energy in the room, being surrounded by global coaches, mentors, leaders, impact your mindset and vision for future?
My internet is not working right now, so
Hmm.
I'll come back to you. Yeah, right, Gitika.
Okay. So, yes, Shipra. So, what were you saying?
I was saying that since Success Gyan events are very electrifying, very energetic events. So how did the energy in the room where you were being there, it impacted your mindset and your vision for future?
Yes, so I think, Shipra, when we are in that room, it's just our dream vision is in front of us, and we have learned so many lessons from various speakers. And at that time, we only think that, it is our limited mind that is stopping us to, be
Hmm.
the best or do what is needed. And we get inspired by so many speakers in the room, who have talked about success, who have talked about resilience, and who have talked about, future vision, goals, dreams,
Hmm. Hmm.
aspirations, growth mindset, leadership. So when such kind of topics, are there, then I think it is very natural to get inspired at the same time, and also think about, really that what good we want to do with our lives. And I think then our doubts, hesitations, and I think the inner voice, the little inner voice that keeps on stopping us,
Hmm.
is actually get faded, and it actually enhances a circle of reality. And the founder of this Success Gyan, Suren sir,
Hmm.
also talks about the circle of reality. That
Right.
means when you are in your comfort zone, your
Hmm.
circle of reality is very limited. Then you
Hmm.
cannot dream big. Then you
Right.
cannot have a vision of, let's say, um, to achieve your goal. And
Hmm.
when you come to these room, interact with
Hmm.
speakers, and
Hmm.
interact with like-minded individuals, those who inspire you, who are into that field, that are growing on day-to-day basis, then
Hmm.
actually your circle of reality is increasing.
Right.
Your actually inner belief is increasing towards your dream, and
Hmm.
that actually helps you to move closer towards your goal.
Right. And this is so powerful message, I would say. right? And Gitika, if you had to tell any three life-changing lessons from the
Mm.
top coaches at the event that every aspiring leader and entrepreneur must know, what would they be?
First, I would say first is that self-worth and self-belief. This
Hmm.
has been, spoken by uh, various speakers, just as Marissa Peer also talked about, feeling enough, feeling worthy to have success, feeling worthy to have abundance.
Hmm.
I am self-worth, I'm worthy of success, I am phenomenally enough, I am amazingly enough. She has emphasized these kind of messages to enhance our praise muscle. She talked about the praise muscle also, to repeat
Hmm.
these affirmations so that we become used to it and feel normal,
Hmm.
to feel enough ourselves. And even Suren sir has also talked about the five buckets, in which the most important bucket, or I would say the section was that how do you see yourself?
Right.
Because when you see yourself in a way, let's say
Hmm.
healthy light, then only
Hmm.
you'll be able to attract other things, let's say
Hmm.
be knowledge or skills or fame or reputation,
Hmm.
and your networking will also get enhanced. But the most important bucket is that is of self belief, and how do you see yourself. So first thing I would, if I have to say, is the self belief, and the second thing I would say is the grit and stamina. That is the right from starting I've said that never giving up attitude, because
Hmm.
those were the speakers who have worked for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years in their career, and we cannot just be, I would say, impatient towards ourselves, our journey, our growth, because good
Take
things
time.
take time, and yes, us at least a specific amount of time or patience to
Right.
get our rewards is needed. And I think the second thing would be the grit, stamina, and patience to continue and keep on doing what we want to achieve. And the third lesson, if I had to share, is that to be happy and joyful. And
Hmm.
this was also one of the message by Suren sir, that don't take life too seriously.
Yes, right.
Yes, so because that will keep you in high vibes and be more flexible in life. That
Hmm.
you're not responsible for everything and to
Hmm.
take care of everything.
Hmm.
So yes, so third message would be that.
Right. And this is very important, I think, for everybody also. Be flexible because we are sometimes very rigid. So this is very good. And also, Geetika, like attending these such high caliber events is very much joyful thing, I would say. But applying the wisdom is another thing, right? So, what are the top three actions that you are now committed to taking in your life after this experience, and how can others implement it too?
Yes, so Shipra, as I first said, that the first lesson was for me was not doubting myself, the inner
Hmm.
conviction, self-belief, and that is my homework also, that not questioning too much, going with
Hmm.
the flow. So
Hmm.
first thing is believing in ourselves,
Hmm.
showing up every day, no matter what we think, but actually doing those tasks that are need to be done. And the second thing would be just keeping our vibes high, being happy, being joyful,
Hmm.
doing everything with ease and grace. Because
Hmm.
if you have the energy of desperation, or let's say stress, anxiety, even
Hmm.
if you want to commit to your results, then I also don't want that. So I want to be happy and graceful in
Hmm.
towards my journey, and be patient as well. And the third thing is that developing that grit and resilience, be
Hmm.
in terms of rejections, be in
Hmm.
terms of failures,
Hmm.
in terms of let's say networking, sometimes
Right.
in selling, and also uh, we are meant to grow in our journey. So be
Hmm.
okay with that, being okay with the rejections, being okay with the people opinions, judgments,
Hmm.
but at the same time being hungry what I want to achieve. And you know I think speaker Boman Irani, if I'm
Hmm.
not taken, the actor Boman Irani has also
Hmm.
shared the message of ask, ask, ask. Even variety of speakers have shared the same message. Jack Canfield and Marisa
Hmm.
Peer. have also shared the same message. Ask, ask, ask
Hmm.
till you reach to your desired outcome. Because we think if one or two times if we got rejected, or if we
Hmm.
don't get the same result, then asking is not for me, or is
Hmm.
asking is bad, we consider it
Hmm.
failure. But just keep on asking, keep on improvising, and I think when it is meant to be, it will happen. So
Right.
yeah, dealing with failures, rejections, and being okay with asking.
Exactly. And also, Geetika, like you were able to go, sir, many people were there who were not able to attend the change makers. So, for those who could not attend, if you had to pass on just one game-changing lesson from this event, something that could transform their lives, what would it be?
I would just say these events are only there to improve your circle of reality.
Hmm.
So sometimes we are at home, we are not able to. Sometimes we are in our comfort zone, we are not able to enhance our circle of reality.
Hmm.
So I think you need to ask question with yourself, sometimes um, that are you 100% committed to yourself? And I think when you get support from like-minded people, when you hear such inspirational people,
Hmm.
then that can give you a boost. So even those who don't have attended, I would just like them to say, if possible, attend these events, because they shift your circle of reality. And
Hmm.
let's say, even if you are listening it as a message in video or some way, even if you're listening this as a live recording of Facebook or something,
Hmm.
just try to imbibe those lessons, because ultimately it's for our benefit, it's for our good. And the faster or sooner we implement these lessons, the quicker we get results.
Right. Exactly. And also, like you shared, now all the insights from the coaches, like ask, 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 and the five buckets, and all these things. So, I think they are really game changing. If we implement whatever they have told in the event, then I think we can change a lot in ourselves. Right?
Yes.
Great. So, thank you so much, Gitika, for sharing so much from the
Thank you.
change makers
Yes.
and telling about every coach what they have told. And I think Sunny sir's network is not good, so he is not rejoined.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yes. Okay. So it's pleasure to be here, Shipra, and I think our audience have must have benefited from all your questions,
yes,
because all questions were very good, and I really loved answering each one of them. And
exactly.
these personal growth events are just reminders to all of us that the inner potential that we have in us, and
Hmm.
how these messages can help us to achieve the best we have.
Right. Exactly. So thank you so much, and thank you everyone for joining in. And if you have any questions regarding or any you want to know more about the what the speaker said, you can contact Geetika that one.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Geetika. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.